Hello, Bug. This is your girl Nikita Shanae, and welcome back to my channel. So, today I wanted to kind of recreate what I did for my birthday. Yesterday was my birthday, and I tried to record, but I ended up going live and doing a little thing on live. So, I'm going to bring it back, and I'm going to record a look for you guys today. So, and you have brows. Alright, so go ahead and start with my face. So I'm going to take the Ole Henriksen here. Ole Henriksen, I think that's the name of it. And I'm gonna put this under my eyes. It's supposed to be like a brightening cream. Show you what it looks like. It's supposed to be like a brightening cream. And I need it. First thing I do is I correct. Correcting pretty much get rid of like the orange corrector I use, get rid of this darkness that I have up under my eyes, like this little breakout right here that didn't go away yet. This side over here. So I use the orange corrector, but the only corrector I have right now at this moment with me is this orange corrector, and this is by HIGHLT. So I'm gonna try to use this. My favorite one would have to be my favorite one would definitely have to be Makeup Forever HD corrector, and then my second favorite one would be the NYX, the NYX this orange corrector. That would be my next favorite, but I don't have those with me, sure. Alright, I did get a new foundation, but I left it downstairs. So, I'm going to be trying out the new Naked Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation up to 24-hour wear. I got the color 80WY, but I honestly feel like I should have got the 70W. And actually the 70W is downstairs. I just don't feel like I want to get it. But I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. I'm just going to spray a couple on my pan here. I like to use my Marc Jacobs brush, of course, to like get that like flawless type of look. I feel like that's the best for me. So that is my foundation. I like how this foundation looks. A lot of people probably say it's too dark, but I honestly think that's my tan foundation. I seriously do. I want to try this Becca concealer. I've been having it for a while. I just haven't been able to use it. Let's see. This is some pretty thick stuff though. Like this will be like my perfect concealer, which I definitely want to get some more of this. I like it because it's kind of watery. Not watery, but it's not thick like this Becca, but I'm trying to use this stuff up. That's the whole purpose of me coming back up here. So I'm going to contour. Yeah, I'm going to use Espresso. Really can't even. I just want to blend this down here out, just kind of see what it looks like. See how it looks like that. So I wanted to use my brush to kind of blend it out to where I wanted, but use this to kind of take out some of the excess. So I'm just gonna let that bake and set until I get finished doing the rest of my makeup. So now what I'm going to do is just take some of this foundation and I'm going to prime my eyes because I'm going to actually do just a little. So I have a habit. I'm going to brush my lashes back out. So now, eyes-wise, I've been wanting to try this palette out for a long time. I know it's a lot of controversy with this palette, but yeah, it is the Warrior by Juvia's palette. I'm just going to do something super freaking simple with this palette, okay? So I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill JH32 brush. It's just a Morphe brush. And I'm going to take Kano, this color right here. And I'm just going to put this all in my crease area. Small paper blending brush. I'm going to go in with Mino. It's like having this little dark brown, and I'm just taking this just barely on my outer lid. Shader brush. On a flat shader brush, I'm going to take this color called Dominique. I think that's the name of it. And I'm going to put this color on my lid. This color, you might have to wet it. No, I don't want to wet it. But then again, I kind of do. But I like how it looks, but yeah, let's wet it. So we just gonna wet it just to see what the back into that Kano color. I'm just going to buff the outer part of this. Okay. So now I'm just going to add an inner corner color like I always have to do. Always, and forever. Alright, I'm just going to add this gold to my inner corner. Right there. Like so. That's it. You could put a little wing liner on here, which, let me see, I'm really not going to do a wing liner. I just want to. going to take my liner. This is the HIGHLT gel liner. So I'm going to take some mascara and put this on my bottom lashes. Alright, I'm going to let that dry. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Maybelline the Falsy Volume Mascara to take NYX Toast. Oh, I'm sorry, the lipstick I used was my Makeup Forever. So this 107 something is on it. Okay. So I'm gonna let that dry before I actually spritz my face, because I feel like when I spritz my face, my bottom lashes get wet and it like throw off my whole look. And then I'm going to go back in with, I'm gonna take a darker color. So that's pretty much it with my face. So I'm just going to finish my hair off camera, and then I will come back. For the most part, I feel like it looks okay. I'm just going to add like a little another bump and a curl, and that's it to it. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys decide to subscribe, and I hope you guys decide to stay tuned for the next video. Bye.